Welcome to Mech with Rishav. This is the new video series of SolidWorks part modeling. After the completion of this video series, you will be able to understand everything including the SolidWorks part modeling and SolidWorks assembly as well. Now let's dive into the SolidWorks screen.
Let's start this video. In this video, our main objective will be to create this image, and the thing that we have to keep in mind is to make sure that our image is fully defined. Let me start the thing. First of all, I'll start with the rectangle that is being drawn. So I'll select the plane and I'll select the rectangle. First, I am drawing the rectangle, whatever kind of rectangle it be. But based on this question, I should be drawing the corner rectangle. First, I am drawing the rectangle, then I am giving its dimension. The length is 100 mm and its width is 50 mm as shown in the image. Then I completed this. Now let's fillet the edges. The top two edges is fillet and the radius of fillet is 10 mm. And likewise, I am selecting these two edges as well. And the two edges is fillet and another two edges is chamfer. So I am doing chamfer here. Let me chamfer these two edges. Let me select these two lines. Simply selecting the line will give the chamfer or fillet between these lines. And I can enter the value from here as I have to make the 10 mm chamfer from both sides. So I am clicking on it. If I have to specify some angle, then I can specify this from here as well. But in this question, I have been given the distance. So I am assigning the 10 mm distance in both sides and they are equal. So I am creating equal chamfer. I can create unequal chamfer as well. From here, I can give the two different dimensions. Okay, now the chamfer is ready. The rectangle is ready. Let me draw another rectangle in between the circle, in between this figure, and I have to draw a circle and then hexagon and another circle in top in this figure. Let me start. Let me start with its dimension. The size is 50 mm. Let me type its value. Its value is 50 mm. Let me type its width. This will be the sequence we follow in every equation. That is, at first we create the image and then give dimension to every size and try to make it fully defined. Now I am giving the dimension or location of this rectangle from where it is going to be start. This is 20 mm from the edge. So I am assigning its value as 20 mm. See, this image is still underdefined, so I am still left with some constraints. So let me put this value. This is given as 20 in the question. So I am again putting its value as 20 mm. Now see, our image is fully defined up to this moment. Now let me add one more circle in the center of this rectangle. First I am drawing the circle. Now I am assigning its value from the dimension. Let me enter its value. And now I have to define its position. Its position, the center of the rectangle, the center of the circle is 25 mm from one edge, and I have to again define the center. I defined the x coordinate of my center. Now I have to define the y coordinate of my center. So I am defining the y coordinate likewise. It is 7.5. The main thing that I have to follow here is to check whether my sketch is fully defined or not. See, up to now my sketch is fully defined. After that, now a hexagon is to be inserted here. So let me insert that. I have to make sure the number of side is 6 as I am going to insert the hexagon. If I have to insert a different polygon, then I can assign the number of side here. So here I am creating the polygon. Okay, let me create a polygon. Now I have let me give the dimension to its side. Each side is 5 mm, so I am assigning its value as 5. Okay, then I have to define the position of my center as well, the center of this polygon or the center of this hexagon. So I am assigning its value. Again, it is 7.5, and my case is still underdefined. This underdefined is due to the some dimension that might be still be missing here. So now what I am going to do is to check with what property is still not defined. I think it is its distance from the this side is not defined. So let me assign this. I am making it 5. This will shift my hexagon to some right. Okay, see here. Now it is fully defined. Now one more thing is left, that is to create a arc in the top of our circle. So let's go into the arc. Let's create a arc and let's see the nature of the arc that we will be creating. Okay, we can create center point arc as well. So let's start with the arc and go to the center point arc. Center point, first point, and second point. Okay, click on OK. And see here our case is fully defined as well. And with this, our case is fully defined. So the main thing that we have to focus during our designing step is that we have to make sure that our case is fully defined by the time we complete our 2D design. This will make sure that we are left with nothing bad thing while going into the 3D. So this is simply the revision video of the thing that we have learned till now, and next 2-3 video will again be the revision video of all the things that we have learned in 2D. So thanks for watching video till the end.